The name of the game has become create thousands of books and flood the marketplace with really crappy books. That is the worst way. It is just terrible for the market because, especially with artificial intelligence, there are so many books being pumped out on Amazon that I've lost faith in buying products on Amazon, and most people have. Like, nobody wants to buy crappy products anymore, and Amazon is full of fake, crappy products. The game has changed, and that is why it's even more important to focus on growing your brand, or you really will fail as an author. You will, you might make a bit of money, but at the end of the day, you're not going to make a lot. This is the only way to make a lot of money. And the only way, and the reason I can say that is because it involves all the other strategies that these authors have been neglecting. And it's really simple. You build a website, you post on social media, you run ads. There's just a few other strategies that you can do. Instead of running Amazon ads, run Facebook ads or Instagram ads or YouTube ads. And there's all these customers hanging around all over the internet, okay? And you have so many tools to bring them to your product, and they don't have to be distracted by all the other nonsense. Hey, do you want to turn your book into a profitable business? I'll teach you how to automate it so it runs on its own and how to make a lot more money than you ever could trying to sell it on Amazon. There's a free 4-day workshop, so click the link below and get started.